Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating on how to use the new work order function that we have implemented into the web client. Before we begin, click on the three bars, which is your preferences, and make sure the sync when logging in is set to yes and show quantity collection on time entry screen is also set to yes. Once that's been done, you can go ahead and save and sync data just to make sure that those settings are fully saved. Once that syncs up, go ahead and click on time entry. And we're going to be doing it for a single person here, so we want to go ahead and click on whatever employee may be that you have to enter time for. In this case, we're going to use William. Once you're on this screen, click on the plus sign on the bottom and enter the respective fields. Make sure your date is set to the correct date. And here in most cases, work order in the past would be set to .NA. For those locations that are going to be using the work order, once you click in here, you see that we have two custom-made work orders. In this case, we're going to use 15420 for demonstration purposes. Make sure your hours type is set to the correct hours type. If you have to enter units, you can go ahead and enter them now. And enter your time. Your break. And to save your time entry, click on the clock again. And when it turns orange, it's just confirming that you have entered time. Now here's the work order on the bottom right. It's the page with the gear to the bottom left of it. When you have entered your hours and stuff within the extras, if you have to enter anything, all this stuff will be auto-populated into the work order for you. As you see here, we selected 15420 in the time entry screen. It's selected, it's already in here for you. And the work order description is already selected for you. You don't really have to enter too much things for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you. As far as all these empty fields, if you entered them within the extras, they would appear here for you. And the time, which was start time 8 a.m. end time 5 p.m., as you can see, has auto-populated for you. And that's a total of 8 hours. And this work order module is very custom. It's going to be custom for all locations, so whatever you may need, that's what's going to appear here. This is just for demonstration purposes, so this is the way we have it set up for now. But once you have entered your work order and everything is all set in, you can go ahead and click on OK. And as you see here, it also turns orange, stating that we do have a work order for this entry. You want to go ahead and click on Save. And here you would see that we do have a work order implemented for this time entry. So now we want to go ahead and sync the data so that we can go ahead and send this to the back office. And once everything syncs up, your time should have been sent to the back.